Before you buy any new car in 2025, watch this. Because one reliable model is secretly suffering transmission failures within the first month. This year, reliability comes down to one simple truth. The cars with the fewest problems are the ones using old-school, proven engines. Not the fancy new tech everyone is hyping. The Toyota Corolla, Nissan Sentra, even the super cheap Dacia Sandero. They're winning in 2025 because their engines have been refined for years with fewer failure points. But here's the real question. Which 2025 budget cars still use these bulletproof powertrains? And which ones are hiding risky new technology that could cost you thousands? Let's break down the top 10 most reliable cheap cars of 2025, starting with number 10. Number 10, 2025, Honda Civic. Let's start with the number 10. And yes, we need to talk about Honda. The non-hybrid Civic remains one of the last true Hondas left. The type of car that built Honda's reputation in the first place. It uses the same simple 2.0-liter engine that Honda has trusted for years. And that simplicity is exactly what makes it special. No turbos, no hybrid motors, no complex battery systems. Just an engine that wakes up every morning, runs smoothly, and asks for almost nothing in return. People are driving these up to 70,000 miles with almost no problems. Normal maintenance, oil changes, filters, brake pads, and that's it. No major engine failures, no strange electrical issues, and no expensive repairs popping up out of nowhere. But here's the issue. The hybrid Civic. That one is failing fast. Owners are reporting metal inside the transmission, early grinding noises, battery-related issues, and repair wait times as long as 3 months. That's enough to turn a great name into a risky bet. So the Civic stays on the list, but only the non-hybrid model. And this idea, sticking to simple, proven engines, leads us straight to number 9. A car that looks fancy, but stays cheap and reliable. Number 9. 2025 Buick Envista. The Envista feels like a mini luxury car, but the price is still under $26,000. It works because Buick didn't try to redesign the world. They didn't stuff it with untested tech or new experimental engines. Instead, they took a platform and powertrain that Chevrolet has used globally, in Europe, South America, Asia, and simply made it more stylish. Nothing complicated, nothing risky. Just a clean, simple machine that does its job without drama. The ride is smooth. The cabin feels more expensive than the price tag, and the maintenance costs stay low because every mechanic knows how to work on this engine. For budget buyers who still want a touch of class, the Envista is the perfect sweet spot. And speaking of the tracks, let's slide into number 8, the car the Envista is built on. Number 8, 2025 Chevrolet Trailblazer. The Trailblazer is the bigger brother of the tracks. It uses the same proven powertrain, but adds one big advantage: all-wheel drive. That makes it perfect for snow, rain, and bad roads, without becoming expensive or over-engineered. It's a city car, but it's also adventure-ready. It's still cheap, still simple, and still reliable. The Trailblazer also benefits from GM's recent improvements in build quality. Interior materials are better, electronics fail less often, and even the transmission software has improved. This is a car designed to survive real-life usage. Rough roads, long trips, daily commuting, you name it. But if you want the same reliability for even less money, the next one will surprise you. Number 7. 2025 Chevrolet Trax. The Trax is one of the best deals in America right now. It starts around $22,000, but looks like a small SUV, and actually feels like one too. GM didn't overload it with tech. They kept the trim simple, the features simple, and the engine simple. And because of that, the Trax rarely breaks. It's cheap to insure, cheap to repair, and cheap to maintain, which is why younger buyers and first-time car owners are loving it. This is the type of car that asks for almost nothing and keeps going for years. But if you want reliability and the longest warranty in the industry, you'll like number 6. Number 6, 2025 Hyundai Venue. The Hyundai Venue is the cheapest, reliable new car in America. And Hyundai backs it with a 5-year, 60,000-mile warranty, plus their famous long-term powertrain coverage. No other brand gives beginners and budget buyers this much confidence. The Venue uses a tiny 1.6-liter engine that Hyundai has used for years. This is the car you buy when you want low cost, low maintenance, and high peace of mind. But the Venue is actually not Hyundai's strongest card, because their bigger sedan climbs even higher on the list. Number 5. 2025 Hyundai Elantra. This one is a reliability monster for one reason: a 10-year, 100,000-mile warranty. No other car on this list is backed this strongly. Hyundai trusts their 2.0-liter SmartStream engine so much, they give you a decade of protection. And here's the best part. Owners on Reddit, YouTube, and forums report thousands of miles with zero issues, not even small ones. It's affordable, efficient, comfortable, and backed like a tank. But if you want a car with simple engineering and top safety scores, number 4 does it better. Number 4, 2025 Nissan Sentra. The Sentra is the quiet hero of 2025. It uses the same formula as the Corolla, a simple 2.0-liter engine with no turbo and no complex parts. Consumer Reports even named it a top pick for 2025. It gets high marks in safety, braking, and crash tests. Something many cheap cars struggle with. Some owners report small issues like window motors, but nothing major, nothing that hurts long-term reliability. Now, all the cars so far were from the US market, but the next two prove something amazing about cheap European cars. Number 3, Kia Picanto. This tiny UK city car is a reliability king. Why? Simple 1.0-liter engine. Very few things can break. And the legendary 7-year, 100,000-mile warranty. The Picanto is the kind of car you can abuse, ignore, park anywhere, and still trust every morning. It's cheap to run, cheap to fix, and cheap to own. Perfect for students, city drivers, and anyone who wants low cost without headaches. But the Picanto is still not the best UK value. That honor goes to our number 2 pick. Number 2, Dacia Sandero. The Sandero is the cheapest new car in Britain. But here's the twist. It's more reliable than many big European brands, even Volkswagen and Skoda. The engine is old school. The features are simple. And the parts come from the Renault-Nissan family, already tested for years. It's cheap, it's roomy, and it almost never breaks. This is the perfect example of don't overthink it. Dacia built a car that focuses only on the basics, and that's exactly why it lasts. But now we move to the king. The car that combines price, reliability, resale value, and long-term durability better than anything else in 2025. Number 1, 2025 Toyota Corolla. The Corolla is still the gold standard. It's the one cheap car you can buy today, drive for 10 years, and still sell for good money. The 2.0-liter engine is one of the most reliable engines ever made. It has no turbo, no CVT failures, no weird new tech. Just a rock-solid powertrain that easily goes past 200,000 miles. Many owners take it to 250,000, even 300,000, without major repairs. Toyota also gives 2 years of free maintenance, something rare at this price. Oil changes? Covered. Basic services? Covered. And when you combine all of that, the Corolla sits alone at the top. Now that you know the top 10 most reliable cheap cars of 2025, don't make a costly mistake when buying your next car. If you want more insider tips on cars that last for years without breaking the bank, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss our future car guides. Trust me. Your wallet will thank you. Remember, the secret to a stress-free car life isn't spending more money. It's choosing smart, reliable cars with proven engines. Whether it's the Toyota Corolla in the US or the Dacia Sandero in the UK, these cars prove that you don't need a luxury price tag to get peace of mind. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we break down the most fuel-efficient cars of 2025. Some of them might surprise you. Until then, drive smart, save money, and stay reliable.